Hi everybody. So I posted my first video. Look at the first thing I found. Anyways, I posted a video for the first time in a long time, and I just want to say thank you for all the comments, and we had a lot of fun doing it.
We did.
And I've been reading the comments, and I just wanted to say thank you, that it felt like normalcy after many years of chaos. So Ty had gotten a fill somewhere else, and we just filed it down a little bit, and I just wanted to show you like there was a fill line and a little few pieces under there that weren't done correctly and stuff. So and then she has eczema on her cuticles.
Yeah.
So I'm not making excuses, man, but at the same time, I don't want to keep filing nails right now. So I filed them a little bit, and this is what you get. And I'm just doing the nails, the nail art. So I'm starting with, I'm going to sponge some black on the tips. This one's a little bit gray, so I might go in there with a little bit darker black gel. And then I'm going to meet you back if I can film that. Let's try this.
Let's try this again.
Yeah, I got a thicker black gel. Let's see. Well, what the heckle?
What the heckle?
Okay, you know what? I am going to use a brush. Be right back.
Okay.
Because what I want to do is make an ombre with black and red. So I just want it to be a little bit darker on the tips. And so it doesn't have to be perfect. I'll get that down, and all these will kind of like blend out. If I have a problem, I can just tap it and cover up some of these imperfections. And I might even go like around. Am I in frame, Ty?
You are.
Okay. I can even go around into a circle, maybe, you know, give myself a like that. I want them to look kind of smoky, because this is going to be beautiful.
I have been looking forward to this forever.
Awesome.
And we're really excited to see what you do with the idea. So,
oh, okay.
Yeah.
So,
no, I was like so excited to see what is Robin Moses going to do with this.
We're doing blood. I need you back.
The time is near. It's near. It's stirring the blood in their veins. And yet, beware. Don't let the wine run to the brain.
Dun,
She's gone.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, Ty, you said you knew.
I know! Where is she?
Where is she? Find her. She's in the back of your cabinet. In your song cabinet. Oh my gosh, every single time we push record little things.
I know.
Just start. So, anyway.
We love Les Mis over here.
Yeah, we do. And Ty was singing Les Mis because it's red and black.
Red, the blood of angry men. Black, the dark of ages past. Red, a world about to dawn. Black, the night that ends at last.
Oh my gosh.
No.
Ty knows all the words I don't.
I know a lot of words.
Anyways, what I'm doing is I am just working on that black and red ombre and not making it too perfect because I don't want it to be.
Right.
But making it like evil. Because I'm going to add a lot of stones. I'm going to add a lot of stuff. And it's going to be so very, very pretty. You're going to love it so... Oh!
Oh! Oh no! Did you guys catch that?
I hope so, because I don't have a brush for gel.
Oh no!
If I did, I would have a standard.
It's not just evil and bloody, but it's also hairy. And we like to keep you guessing.
Yeah!
You think you know where we're going, but then we zag.
You know where we're going. The only thing we're going is crazy. It's crazy town.
That's true.
Okay, so I'm going to go... You see this, Ty? I'm going to go on the ends of each one with dark, dark black.
Love.
As to cancel out all the imperfections. One at a time until we're done.
Oh, it's a lot of imperfection.
All right, so we started this video and I thought we were going to start
A little sooner.
a lot sooner. But now I'm going to start this tutorial with a one coat of matte top coat. And I'm going to mattify all this stuff and try to get as much hairs as possible that she had gotten on.
Oops.
Oopsie. Meet you back. All right, so for this black, I am using Vanta Black. I think I maybe shouldn't have because it's real chalky. And I might be displaying like extra chalky black, but because it's Halloween design, I don't even care. I'm just doing like a filigree and trying to make it as seamless as possible. And also, don't worry about getting it perfect. And you can use gels and everything to get a more yummy line and stuff like that. But I'm really not in the mood for that at all. I know that's so weird, but I like the crunchiness of a acrylic line sometimes.
I do too.
Yeah, it looks rogue, like you're going rogue and like old school.
Definitely unique.
Yeah, I see these Temu nails where everything's all like super filigree and overtly, you know, and it just gives me $1.99. I know that sounds awful, judgmental, but whatever. This looks kind of like a bird, like a bird Aztec or something.
I thought,
you know what I'm talking about?
Oh, for sure. Yeah.
And doesn't this colors, the combo, look kind of like fire from like this Scarlet J? What was that?
What? A Mockingjay?
Yes.
Yeah, the Hunger Games.
Yes, it looks like Mockingjay colors.
Oh
Am I wrong? Is that true?
Mockingjay. I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
I'm getting like kind of like Phoenix, like a Phoenix kind of moment, but like the Mockingjay with the I want to say that that's more of like a gold and black in my head, but I see you.
Yeah,
I
have a feeling like the bird is like gold on fire.
Mm-hmm.
And I remember painting him, and I just remember it being these colors, and I just remember being
okay.
Like it's giving me memories.
Oh.
And I think it was on Bipolar Girl.
Bipolar.
Like 2014-ish. Oh, I want to look back at it. If you guys...
Yeah, that's 10 years ago.
Yeah. Wow. That's crazy.
Stop.
But I'm going to go around.
Oh, this Vanta Black. It's black.
I love it.
Man.
But you know what? I'm not going to lie, man. It's hard to paint with, but I find it satisfying. I don't know why.
Well, then, you can.
This one, what am I going to do? See, this one has that fill line right here. So I'm going to go around.
Let's go. Thank God for nail art.
Well, thank goodness for nail art.
Because that fill line was something bad.
That fill line was really atrocious. Da, 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 da. Okay. All right. I'm making a big old mess. I don't care. And I'm just gonna like kind of go in there and touch up here and there, get the lines kind of situated. Oh, guess what comes out tonight? This is gonna date this video.
What?
Joker Part 2.
Oh, that comes out tonight?
I believe it does.
Oh my God. Okay.
I know. Edison said it was awful.
Really?
Yeah. Oops, sorry. That's my son's opinion. Here. All right. So now I'm going to go... Oops. Let me move that. I'm going to go into putting the jewels on. So I'm going in with a really thick, juicy top coat and sealing all my lines up. And then adding the stones in. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty.
I really like these.
They're evil.
They're so cute.
Thank you.
I feel like this is gonna be a hand grabber for sure.
I know. Okay, so let me get what I got to go. Okay.
Oh!
Oh my gosh, will you look
Holy.
at that?
Holy. Ruby.
Oh my, oops. Oh. Save. My table's shaking. Sorry about that. If you hear the squeaking, I'm all over the place. Stop, Ty.
Sorry. I think you have a hair on the tip of your sticky.
I would believe that because there's been one hair on everything that on this video. But you know what? Oh well, at least I'm honest.
It's a hairy video.
We're in hairy territory. We're in backcountry, Ty. We're in backcountry. Ooh, predator.
Mmm.
Delicioso. There's one. And it's one. I think you get the idea. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, that's so pretty.
Thank you. Okay, so I had the ability to keep going, but I really, really like the filigree of it all with a little tiny bit of evil and a little bit of sassy.
It is.
And I think that if I kept going more and more, it's just going to be too much for this short of nail, and because of all the filing and stuff. But I like it. Tell me what you guys think.
Yeah.
And also, I'll be working on other videos based on what you guys want me to paint, and I'm just going to have fun with Ty and take questions and pretty much just keep in the know with what's going on with nails and everything. Look what I made out of gel. And
Get in the frame.
where is it? I was gonna cut this up and put it on there, but then I decided against it because I really like it how it is. So anyways, you guys, I'll see you back with more, and I wish I had more fun things to talk about. Gosh, I was a little bit distracted with all the little extras, but hey, it turned out pretty good. What do you think? Do you like it?
I love that.
I think a lot of people are going to be grabbing your hands.
I feel like this is going to be such a big hand grabber.
Oh,
and
good.
it definitely translates as Halloween-y.
Yeah.
It definitely dark and spooky. But
Uh-huh.
I think that, like, we had initially were going to do the blood splatter, but it ended up being, like, really, like, classy, spooky.
Yeah.
And I can't wait to hear what people think about them.
Yeah, same
Good.
here. And I'm just happy to be back, and I'm just taking it slow. So you guys, have a good day, and hopefully I'll do one more before Halloween. Bye.
Bye.